thank you so much for stopping by. Today I will be making meatloaf and showing you how not to end up with a lump of meat that's hard and dry as a rock. My secret recipe is coming up. Stay tuned. Family, the secret to a moist and delicious meatloaf is allowing your breadcrumbs to soak in milk for a while. Very important step if you don't want your meatloaf to turn out dry. And another tip, when mixing your meatloaf mixture, do not over mix it. It's all about consistency. This might make your meatloaf fall apart. When your meatloaf is shaped, go ahead and bake it in the oven at 350 degrees for 50 to 60 minutes. Now after we spread the sauce all over the meatloaf, we're going to bake it an additional 10 to 15 minutes. And when it comes out of the oven, make sure you let it rest for 30 minutes before you cut it so it doesn't fall apart. I hope you guys absolutely love this moist and delicious meatloaf. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more secret recipes. I'll see you next Tuesday. Peace.